making Lokshen Kugle, and my brother's helping my beautiful mother. And I'm going to tell you what ingredients my mom started without me. So we're using a package of egg noodles, whatever brand you like. She's using the Manischewitz, and it is they're medium, 340 grams. She uses a cup of peaches. She bought those at Costco. They're delicious. And how many cherries, Mom? About,
I don't measure.
She doesn't measure, but a couple of handfuls or a handful, probably about a half a cup. And how much raisins, Mom?
A good cup.
A good cup. A good cup of raisins, people.
Or a cup and a half, whatever.
And a cup of sugar, Mom?
Yeah.
And a cup of sugar.
Yeah.
And you first boil up the noodles, of course, and rinse them and let them get cold. Or not, you don't have to. Then add the peaches, the sugar, the cherries, the raisins, and then how many eggs are in there?
6.
6 eggs. Whisk the eggs.
Okay.
And you're going to add it to the pan.
Yeah.
We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to be spraying a what size pan, Mom?
9 by 13.
A 9 by 13 pan, okay? And we used extra large eggs. My mother loves them from Costco too. So she's just taking her hand and mixing it. That's what she likes to do. And we do a cornflake topping, which we're going to show you how she makes that as well. Okay, so we have a cup and a half of cornflake crumbs. You can buy them already made, or you can just make them yourself in a Cuisinart and put them in a bowl.
That's a little too much in there. Is that
okay? That's okay. Just a cup and a half.
Okay.
Okay, cup and a half.
Yeah. Where's the cup?
That was the cup, and that's the half. You gave me this.
Oh.
Actually, that's a half a cup you gave me. Yeah. So it's not. Do you want more?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've got the cornflake crumbs, and we have a half a cup of chopped nuts, almonds that she's put through the Cuisinart. And you can use real sugar, 2 tablespoons, or you could use stevia.
It's a little bit too much in there.
So probably less than 2 tablespoons.
Okay. All right.
Okay. And we'll see, and we'll mix it up with our hand. It's easier. And that's the topping. And she puts that in on top, you'll see. And we're going to bake it for about an hour.
Yeah, at least.
At least an hour. Okay. And what else?
You spray the pan.
You spray the pan. Okay.
And I like to get this mixed through real good.
Yeah. So she uses her hands because, you know, it tastes better.
It makes the eggs fluffy.
It makes the eggs fluffy. So there you have it. And this is the egg Lokshen Kugle, or egg noodle pudding. And basically you're going to just count the eggs, you're going to count the raisins, and if you don't want to put raisins in, you can put more or less or not, or you could use whatever you want, raisins. They're a bit higher in sugar. It's 7 smart points for a quarter cup of raisins. So you can, but my mother loves raisins. And sometimes you don't want peaches. You could add some apple. You could.
I do add a grated apple.
She adds an apple grated. Okay, so all my recipes are written underneath. I'll make sure with the peel off. My mother says. So remember that. All right, so.
And a can of peaches, the pineapple.
Oh, you didn't tell me about the pineapple, Mom.
Right up here.
Okay, so.
You have to look in the cupboard.
Okay, it's okay. They know what pineapple looks like, so I'm going to make sure.
Chunks.
Pineapple chunks. Aha. Okay, it's up in the cupboard?
Yeah, it's behind that.
Okay, so we're going to get.
There it is, tidbits. See?
No, that's tidbits.
That's fine.
Oh, there. Yeah.
That's
okay.
the same thing.
Okay, people. So we're going to make sure we have this written down, that we don't forget. And the whole tin, Mom?
Yeah.
The whole tin of tidbits.
But I don't use all the
juice?
Juice. Most of it.
Most of the juice. Okay, you've heard it from the expert. All right, and she's mixing it. Okay, so what do you think? Is it ready yet?
Yeah, the oven has to.
Yeah. So she's got it.
Okay, where's my helper?
Helper, come. My brother's here to help her to put it in to the pan. The pan is sprayed and it's over there.
Hey, Brian, you can. Yeah.
Okay, so we put it in the pan. See, we have lots of helpers when we're cooking and making for the holidays. And we're just preheating the oven. And let's do a recap of, so how many eggs did you say, Mom?
6.
6 eggs, the noodles, the peaches, the cherries if you want, definitely the tidbits, the raisins. You're going to need cornflake crumbs and some almonds and sugar.
Bring it over
So here it is. There, it looks beautiful.
Okay, now where's the topping?
It's in the bowl there, Bri.
Yeah, just.
He's going to sprinkle it on top. How many people does it take to make a Lokshen Kugle? That's what I want to know. Just one, my mother. With extra hands. And this really makes it, having a topping on top is absolutely amazing and delicious, of course.
That way the noodles don't get hard.
Yeah, then the noodles don't get hard. And you cook it uncovered, Mom? You cook Mom, uncovered?
Yeah.
Uncovered for about an hour, and it will be absolutely amazing. You can make it a couple days in advance, and you cut it up into squares, and it is amazing meal. So I hope you love this recipe. We're going to bake it now, and you'll see that it comes out beautiful and crispy. And don't forget to continue to like, subscribe, ring the bell. When you ring the bell, then all my newest recipes will go to your emails. So we're doing this for the new year, but you can make this recipe for Friday night dinners, for the weekend, for company, for any special occasion or not. It makes a great side dish. Okay, so from my mother's kitchen, Molly saying hello.
Hi, everybody.
All right. And thank you for showing everybody how to make delicious noodle pudding a la Molly.
You're welcome. Let me know if you enjoy it. I'm sure you will. And have a very sweet, happy New Year.
Or whenever you're making it.
Yeah, all year.
Yeah, all year you can enjoy it, right, Mom?
Yeah.
All right. Bye, guys. Love you. Remember, all recipes are written underneath, okay? So if I forget anything, you can always check the written part, okay? Okay, bye. Blow a kiss.
Risa?
Yeah.